Hi, this is Pete Thompson, your Chicago area mortgage guy, and I'm going to talk to you today about appraisals. And when we go to approve you for a mortgage, we're going to be approving you for all the things in your own situation. We're going to approve you for your credit, for your income, for your debts, all of that we're going to be looking at. We're also going to be looking at the property and making sure that that fits what we need, and we do that through an appraisal. So what an appraisal is we're going to get somebody, a third-party person to come in there. We don't have any choice in who this is going to be, and they're going to be a qualified professional who goes in. They're going to look at your property. They're going to look at what the basically all the amenities of your property are. They're going to compare it to what other properties have sold for in the area, and they're going to come up with what they say the value is. So we're going to look at that value. We're going to compare that to what your contract price is if you have bought the home, or what the value you need if you're doing a refinance. But it's we're going to redo this anyways, but I'm going to keep on talking. It's but when you do the appraisal, we're going to make sure that it has to hit the number that we have. We're also going to make sure that the property condition is where we need it to be. Sometimes, especially with an FHA loan, there might be some things that need to be fixed beforehand, and if that's the case, when the appraisal comes back, it'll say what the value it is. It'll also say if anything needs to be fixed. One thing that sometimes does happen is that you've bought the house for a certain value and the appraisal comes in under. And one of the big questions is there any choice? What can you do if that happens? And there is a process that we can go back. We can basically have a review appraiser look at this appraiser, make sure that he used the right comps, make sure that all of his assumptions are right. And sometimes that's enough to get everything turned around. Sometimes you have to just go back and actually renegotiate or rework with the appraisal. But that's one of the real important things about when buying a home, is managing through the appraisal process and making sure that you know exactly what your options are throughout. If you have any questions, anything I can help you with, please give me a call. Again, Pete Thompson, your Chicago area mortgage guy.